Over 20 million free-tailed bats, one of the largest gatherings of mammals on Earth, flock to this sheltered Texas cave each spring to mate and have pups. As evening falls, the bats start to leave. They'll get more time to feed by heading out early, but leaving their sanctuary in daylight is a gamble. An even greater danger from below. Cactus spines snag the inexperienced pups, making them an easy target. Coach whip snakes. Non-venomous, they rely on dagger-sharp teeth to catch their prey. And if a bat makes a run for it, it stands no chance against the fastest snake in North America. His only chance is to climb quickly to somewhere he can relaunch. Sometimes you just need a bit of luck. This young bat's cleared the most dangerous hurdle on his path to adulthood.